Hello and welcome to Monson Made This. My name is Michael. I cook vegan food, so if you're interested in more vegan recipes, you should click that subscribe button below. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up while you're down there, and you should also join the channel so you have access to all of the amazing channel member benefits. Today's video is sort of strange because I was just playing around in my kitchen, which is quite messy right now. But I was playing around in my kitchen, playing with trying to do top-down style videos. And so I just started throwing some things together and it ended up being kind of amazing. So in the video, I'm making this, which is a pickled chickpea lettuce cups. That's what we'll call them. I've been really obsessed with the concept of pickled chickpeas. Basically open up a can of chickpeas, soak them for a day or two in seasoned rice wine vinegar. This is what you use for sushi. It gives the chickpeas just like this really incredible, almost like cheesy flavor, like umami rich, but kind of like funky, sour. It's really good. So in this recipe, I've just mixed these pickled chickpeas with some tahini, some red onions, but you'll see all that in the clip here. So go ahead and watch it and I'll be back at the end to give them a taste for you. For this recipe, you're gonna need a can of chickpeas drained and rinsed, seasoned rice wine vinegar, that's what you'd use for sushi, so it has salt, sugar already added into it, and some sort of jar or container so that you can leave it overnight to soak. It just needs about 24 hours, 48 hours is better, 12 is fine, but just leave it in the fridge, let it marinate. You're gonna wanna strain the chickpeas from the marinating liquid, but you don't wanna get rid of the marinating liquid because we're gonna use this as the base of our dressing. I'm also gonna be adding some red onion. This just adds a little bit of spice, flavor. You could use any kind of onion, green onion, no onion. It's up to you. You could even add other veggies in here if you'd like, if onion isn't your thing. In a bowl, you're going to take a bit of tahini, maybe about 2 tablespoons, and you're going to mix this with a little bit of the reserved liquid, probably about 2 tablespoons as well. Again, this is just the seasoned rice wine vinegar. You're not gonna want to use this to make another batch, but you can use this to make dressings like we're doing here. This is a little bit difficult to do. Sometimes the tahini isn't very cooperative. Just keep working at it. Eventually it'll become kind of a thick paste, and you're going to thin that thick paste down, which is a little bit of water, until it's the consistency that you want. Because we're making kind of like a salad here, kind of like a chickpea salad, you want it to be a little bit on the thicker side, kind of a mayo consistency. Once it's all mixed together, you're going to want to take about half of your pickled chickpeas and combine it with the onions and the tahini marinade mixture, which is our dressing, and you're just gonna wanna stir that together, toss it around. If it looks like you have too much dressing, add a few more chickpeas. If it looks like you don't have enough dressing, make a little bit more. But mix that together till everything is incorporated. You could even just put this on top of a salad as is, put the chickpeas on the salad, use the dressing as a dressing on the salad. You don't have to eat it in the way that I'm doing it, but I kind of like the idea of the chickpea lettuce cups just because it's a great way to eat it. You get more beans than lettuce, and it's delicious this way. So I'm just using this red leaf lettuce. I could have easily filled 2 more of these with the amount that I had, but just for the picture, I have 3 of these red leaf lettuces. I'm spooning in the pickled chickpeas with the tahini dressing, and then I'm going to top them with some fresh cracked black pepper with a little bit of nutritional yeast, and then they're good to go. I might also recommend a little bit of hot sauce, like a nice vinegary hot sauce, like a Tabasco, something like that. Pretty easy, right? So the hardest part is just waiting overnight or a day or two for the chickpeas to pickle. I'm gonna go ahead and give this a taste. I've thought about different ways to try to serve this. It's really great if you just put the chickpeas on a salad and then drizzle the tahini mixture over it. I really can't describe it in any other way other than like cheesy. Really good. All right, well, if you like these top-down style videos, like what you saw here, comment below and I can make some more of these because I kind of enjoyed the process. So thank you all for watching this. Thanks for those of you that are supporting this channel on Patreon as well as my channel members. And yeah, I will see you next time with another recipe video. Bye.